Hey guys, so here's the new Sony ZV-E10. I just thought I'd do a quick review on how I've found it over the last week or so as a complete newbie, see how easy it is to use, and just my thoughts. So let's dive in. So first of all, it's a really lightweight camera. I think this would be great for vlogging. This is not why I got the camera myself, but I think it's very lightweight if you were trying to do that type of thing. It also has all the latest tech on it from the ZV-1, but it's just got a removable lens here. So let me quickly demo that. So you just push that in there and you twist. And that means you can put any E-mount lenses on here, which is great if you want to level up in the future. So the camera I got came with this kit lens, which is a 3.5 to 5.6 aperture and a 16 to 50mm zoom. It's got steady shot on it, and it's pretty basic, but it does the job. And I think I will get a new lens in future. I've watched a load of YouTube videos that have said to use the Sigma lens that I'll link down below. That's supposed to be really good. I've done an unboxing video as well. If you want to take a look at that, I'll link that down below, which shows what you get in the kit. But you get this like microphone bit. I'll just demo that. There's a little windshield that you can just snap on there. Also, this unit here, you can put a bunch of different Sony devices on, like microphones or flashes. So for me as a newbie, this is quite bizarre that this camera doesn't come with a flash, but to be fair, in photography and video you don't really want to be using flash because it's just not great, and especially when doing video and things, you just don't want that. You want to try and control the settings manually. I like the fact that you can use this sort of screen here, so you can like have it at an angle while you're pointing it a different direction. I think that's great. The main settings I've been using are these automatic ones here. So you've got it's sort of photo mode. I think that's a video mode here. So you press video on that button here, and you can see it auto picks depending on the light, like a macro. If you're close up or if it's low light, it will adjust the settings for you, and it's all set to auto exposure, etc. This is a slow mode option, which is quite useful, but haven't got around to using that yet. And then you've got this normal photo mode. So if you want to change the settings, for example, if I go into video settings, I can go in this function here, and you can see all the options available. Now I've got it in intelligent auto, which does the autofocusing, you know, the exposure, that manages the ISO and all that kind of thing for you as you're moving around. So if you're vlogging, this is great. You can also override this and select manual, and then you can see I've been messing about with some settings, for some low light settings. And if you go on the function here, you can see all the different options. Now, from what I've figured out, I think like having a lower ISO is better for quality, and trying to manage it that way. So I'm working on that and have a better aperture, which you can control like so. So you can see it changing there. So this is all new to me. I know that lower aperture and ISO, the lower ISO helps, and you need if you're filming at 25 4p or 25p, I think this is frames per second this camera does, you want the shutter speed to be double. So they're the basic things that I'm trying to mess around with at the moment and getting my head round. But for now, you can just go on here and just put it on intelligent auto, and it does a really good job, I find. And it has continuous autofocus on, which is great. There's also a product background defocus button, which is there. You can see it'll just, you can clear it, and if you want to get rid of all that setting, you just press this button here, and then it's cancelled and switched to background defocus state. And I think these features are great if you don't know what you're doing. I've used it briefly, and I think it's just a really good way of getting in there. Of course, in the future, I can upgrade my lenses, and then whenever I'm ready to upgrade to a better camera, I can buy a camera that's compatible with it. So I think all in all, as this quick review demonstrates, I think it's a great camera to get started on. If anyone's got any questions, please leave them below, and I'm happy to answer anything on that. There's a lot more videos out there which demo more features and go into greater detail, but this is just a quick review for newbies, just to see how I found it, and I hope this has helped some of you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.